Good day everyone. Today I will present the workshop layout driving passenger bus, straight track, and C3. Number one. First po is practical work area. Core competencies yung nasa taas po. Driving yard, maneuvering area with road markings, parking, turning, reversing, uphill and downhill. Garage for bus, straight tracks. Vehicle inspection bay for pre-post trip inspection. Safety cones, traffic signs, and barriers for training. Next po is Trainers Resource Center. Training Resource Centers area, tables and chairs for 20 to 30 trainees, whiteboard, projector, TV, and reference materials such as manuals, driving rules, maps, bookshelves with updated LTO and test the handbooks. Next po is computer laboratory. Computer laboratory, at least 10 to 15 computer units for trainees, driving related software and traffic simulation programs, internet access for research and e-learning. Next po is distance learning area. This area equipped with computers, webcams, and internet access, space for virtual lectures or online training sessions, headsets and microphones for e-learning support. Next po is contextual learning laboratory, yung nasa gitna po. Contextual learning laboratory, private workspace for trainers with desk, chairs, and computer. Storage for training modules, lesson plans, and teaching aids. Meeting space for trainers. Next po is quality control, yung nasa right side sa taas. Record keeping station for monitoring student performance. File cabinets with training logs, evaluation results, and feedback forms. Area for calibration of measuring instruments, speedometers, emission testers. Next po is support service area. Administration office, clinic, first aid room, storage room for tools, spare parts, and materials, and student lounge. Last po yung sa whiteboard, institutional assessment area. Separate quiet room for written exam, small space with computer units for online testing, area for oral questioning, interviews, and my whiteboard. That's all po. Thank you.